Jordan Stahl goes down low. Good stick there. Hjalmarsson blocked the pass. Now it goes back to Stahl. Here's Lyles. Centered it. Stahl put it back. A long shot. Slavin never got through. Taken by Lyles. The Hawks penalty over. Here's the centering pass. Just tipped away from Versteeg. That might have been a good stick from Darling. Tipping the pass with Versteeg right in the doorstep. Now it's out of play.
Well, Scott Darling getting an opportunity here, come in relief. Everybody remembers how well Scott Darling came in long relief last spring in round 1 of the playoffs against the Nashville Predators. So I'm sure that this move by Joe Quenneville, as you touched on, Pat, certainly gets the attention of the rest of the guys inside that dressing room.
Patrick Kane will try to dump it in. That hit the linesman, Tim Nowak, and now the Blackhawks, Gustafsson left it for Kane. After Kane snapshot into the glove of Eddie Lack.
Well, tonight on Sportsnet Central, we go one-on-one with National League Manager of the Year, Joe Maddon. I'm going to find out what kind of magic he has in store for year 2, plus why the Cubs skipper thinks Bryant, Russell, and Schwarber will avoid any kind of sophomore slump. Don't miss Cubs talk with Joe Maddon tonight. Sportsnet Central.
Rasmussen wins a draw. Here's a long shot. Gustafsson, that's off a leg out in front. And Lindholm got it back into the offensive zone. Here's stop and go move, then he rings it around. Rasmussen kicked it ahead to McNeil. Back come the Kane to Rask. And now back goes Van Riemsdyk. Change that first